In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple table on Figma. In order to do that, we first need to head over right here to figma.com, which is their website. You have two options there. You can either click onto this login option right here if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can click onto this get started for free or this get started for free button right here. So you can sign up using that way. So into that part, you should be able to see in here. As you can see, I already have a Figma account. So this is what my Figma accounts look like. You can open right here a project that you already have. So for example, right here, I have this particular Figma. Let's head over and open it by clicking onto this part. You can also double click it in order to successfully open it. Into this part right here, you can head over and click onto this icon, which is the actions icon. Into this part, just head over and search in here for table. Doing that will actually help you search for table. So once you have search in here for table, click onto the search assets for table option. From there, you can see this table, tablet, and likes. Let's head over and click onto this table option and click onto this insert option right here. And then just wait for this, and here it is right there. So into this part, you can move it around wherever you want to put it. As you can see right now, this only looks like that, but you can actually increase the size for that, the dimensions, corner radius, and the likes. In this case, I'll head over and choose in here the size. Let's make it bigger as it already is, or you can also resize it just like this. Here is the table. Now, if you want to add rows, you're free to do so using this page. So in here, you can create some using this way and also edit it out, change its positions, alignments, strokes, and likes onto this part, and also change the actual table and change its rows and columns based on this one. So that's how you create simple table on Figma. Hope we help.